Alright, I'm got it all ready to put mud on it now. I feathered this back just now, right before I started recording this, as you might have seen in the time clip. Time lapse anyways. But so I'm ready to put mud on there, put mud on here all over the bottom. And then I'm going to, and then I cleaned most of the cardboard off the back, as you can see. So, yeah. So, I am going to get to that, and you'll see me doing that. So, I better get to it. Alright, I got some body filler on there. I don't know. Still gotta put a layer here. It's just a little rough. I know it's at the bottom, but I still kind of want to smooth it out a little bit better than that. And I gotta put some more right there, just because I don't like. I want this. See this curve right here? This curve right here. I want that curve to flow all the way through, kind of like, kind of the same way right here. It's just too flat. It actually dips, and I just want to bring it over and just kind of smooth it in. Nice, but this corner was a pain in the butt to do. But I mean, it looks really smooth. I still got I got pinholes I gotta fill and stuff, but that's how it is with fiberglass work anyways, because fiberglass it's hard to get all the air out of it anyways, and because there's a lot of pinholes. But the shape is really nice so far. Let's put it up here so you can see. Stand. Sorry about that. Hope they didn't make you guys busy. The lights. Okay. But yeah, it's not too bad. I like the shape. It's a lot better than I was thinking originally it was coming and turning out. I still debating on full. I don't know if I could find this original cover, but I might just fill those holes. I still been debating on it. I still want to put some tag mounts because I want to put a European style tag on the front. And I don't know, I think that would look cool. So. But yeah, and then when I paint it all over, I will repaint these. Paint those. I got them in the car actually. I'll show you what they look like. Yeah, actually, they weren't on the bumper when I freaking got it. The car was a mess inside, and I cleaned out the car and I found them in here. There they are. There's one right there. And of course, they need to be cleaned up. Damn koozie in there. I need to clean out my glove box. That's all my crap. I think this one's this is the left one, and of course pop up, and the wiper or the washers are on the rebar, and these actually hook into there. Oh, this is actually the other side, but I'm just demonstrating. They actually hook in there. Those little holes right there hook on those little teeth. Yeah, and then I gotta clean this up. Whoever had the car before me that installed the big large mount, they did a very bad cut on this aluminum rebar. So I'm going to clean it up and smooth it out so there's no sharp corners. That way it's less likely to fail if I bump something. And I got to cut these ears off because they show through the damn vent. But yeah, it's coming together. I like the way it's looking. It's just a lot of work, especially doing the hand sand. It's a lot of work, but it's going to be all worth it when it's all over. It's just going to make it look a lot better. But and like all the pinholes and everything, I mean, I'll fill most of the big ones up, but all the little stuff, I'm going to use a high build primer filler, and it's a polyester filler primer. I'm going to use that in there on it, and it works really great with fiberglass. Not so much on metal because it doesn't adheres. I can't say the word. It doesn't stick to metal real well. I mean, and some of any aerosol adhesion promoter, it's just too harsh on, and it just softens it up. But on fiberglass, it works awesome. And that's what we use on the truck hoods and stuff, because I mean, like we always work on trucks. We got these pieces over here, so trucks, fiberglass on the front of the RV over there. So yeah, this ain't the shop I work at. I work actually in the body shop, which tomorrow I'll be over there because I'm tired of actually running back and forth. I just wanted to do the fiberglass over here because I don't want to get fiberglass on the cars over there. But since I'm done with the fiberglass work, I'm gonna go back over there. That way, my tools and grinders and sanding blocks are all over there, so I don't have to run back and forth. But yeah, you guys will see me tomorrow, so I'll be back on this, working on this. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have all the body filler work done on it, and get it ready for primer. I want to get all the paint stripped off, and I got better DAs over there. Hopefully that'll strip the paint off. There's a lot of layers. You can see they got this I don't know, this flat black. I don't know. It was almost, almost thought they aerosoled it, but it's tough. It's got the black, and it's got a gray primer, then another black, and then this yellow brownish primer of some sort. Then it's got red, and I'm guessing a black primer or something. Then back another layer of red, and then there's some black primer underneath that red. And then of course the plastic. Yeah, and this is normally I wouldn't repair a bumper with fiberglass, but this bumper is solid and it's not flexing, and if it does, it's just gonna break the bumper anyway. So that's why I did it with fiberglass. And actually, it's not fiberglass. It's the same concept. It's actually SMC. It's a lot better resin. It's more expensive, but it's worth it. But like I said, you guys will see me tomorrow working on more body fillers, so I'll see you then.